You have 4 messages. Message 1, Saturday, 12:28 p.m.
Hey, Peter B. and Kasuku. This is Barbara B. calling to wish Kasuku a happy birthday weekend. Have fun. And Peter, I actually called to say hi to you too. So enjoy the weekend. I know you're having a blowout for Kasuku. Big hugs. Later. Bye.
It's party time!
Well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well, a bird, bird, bird. Bird is a winner. Well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a winner. Well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a winner. Well, a bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a winner. Well, a bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well, don't you know about the bird? Well, everybody knows that the bird is a winner. Well, a bird, bird. The bird's a winner.
It's your birthday, the perfect day to open windows to your dreams. You sent it with this little bird. See the little bird? May the sun shine on all of your wishes. In your heart, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Kasuku.
K-A-I-C-A-I-L-E-I-G-H.
Oh, come on.
Look at that.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
Here. Kasuku. Here. Kasuku.
Oh, so there's something for that cake.
Don't you love the sounds?
Yeah.
What a...
Who's talking back to
Look at this. This is funny.
I don't think he thinks you're a predator. I don't think he...
This is great.
So I can do louder than you can.
That's my unique call. Right.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, I think that's...
What's that? Kasuku.
That's good.
That's a good one.
I said.
Who is that, Kasuku?
It sounds like you're hearing it in the nature.
The good, the bad, and the ugly.
Yeah, that's it.
I thought he might catch that. He said,
Sheriff Mike Walsh, right? And the guy that's running against him, he's an old... What? What do you mean? What about, is he an old fucker? Yes.
Oh.
But Mike is a good guy, right? Right. I've sent this to him. Here is the photo that we are going to have on the cover of the sheet cake for Kasuku's birthday. That's Brad's cat. And this is all the doctors working on Kasuku up at the hospital in Philly. And this is the invitation that we sent out to everybody. You've all known him since he was a young bird, a younger bird, and now he's turning 37. What a good excuse to party. Come spend the weekend with us to celebrate Kasuku's birthday on Saturday, May 8th to Sunday, May 9th, his birthday. Now we'll do this and we'll put it on YouTube.
It's my B-day, I want it all and the broccoli. It's my B-day, I want it all and the broccoli. It's my B-day, I want it all and the broccoli. It's my B-day, I want it all in the broccoli because it's my B-day. It's my B-day. DJ bring that back one time cause it's my B-day. It's my B-day. It's my B-day. DJ bring that back one time cause it's my B-day. I feel like everybody watching me. Everybody watching me. Everybody watching me. I feel like everybody watching me, everybody watching me. DJ, bring this back one time. Cause it's my birthday. 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 Mike John, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. If you a DJ and it's your B-day, then happy birthday. Happy.
And I think that's it.